Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's first video of our GCSE mathematics series, we'll be talking about real numbers. Real numbers can be divided into two main parts, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a fraction or a ratio of integers, whereas irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a fraction or a ratio of integers. Rational numbers include fractions such as 1 over 2, integers such as positive 1, negative 1, whole numbers such as positive 5, decimals such as 0.341. On the other hand, we have irrational numbers which include pi, under root 2, and Euler's number. Moving forward to our whole numbers. Whole numbers are all positive numbers on the number line. So over here we have our 0. On the right hand side we have all of our positive numbers. So these can be positive 50, positive 100, positive 1, and so many more. Moving forward to our integers. Integers are numbers that lie on both of the sides. They can either be positive or negative, depending on what type of number we are going to use. So this can either be positive negative 1 or positive 1, negative 100 or positive 100, and many more. Moving forward to fractions. Fractions are numbers, as said, or a ratio of integers. We have two sides of the fraction. One is our numerator and the other one is our denominator. Numerator is actually the number on top of the fractional line, and denominator is the number on bottom of our fractional line. Let's say over here we have two boxes on the whole. So we'll write down 2 as our denominator, out of which 1 is shaded. Gonna write down 1 on the top. Over here we have 3 boxes on the whole, out of which 1 is shaded. 4 boxes on the whole, out of which 2 are shaded. 6 boxes on the whole, out of which 2 are shaded. So as we can see, denominator is like our count of the entire thing, and our numerator is the part which is being used up. So it's the ratio between what's being used up and how much is available. Fractions can also be divided into proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions is the case where our numerator is smaller than the denominator, such as 10 over 25 or 1 over 2. Improper fractions is the case where our numerator is greater than the denominator, such as 10 over 5 or 15 over 3. Decimals can be of two types. They can either be recurring or terminating. Recurring decimals are where we have an infinite number of digits after our decimal point, such as 0.3333 or 0.256256. Here we can see that we have 256 that is being repeated as a series of numbers. On the other hand, we have a terminating decimals in which we have a finite number of digits after our decimal point, such as 0.561 or 0.25. After our rational numbers, we have our irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a simple fraction or a ratio of integers. The examples included pi. We all know pi is 3.141, so on. We have under root 2, that is 1.414, and more. We have our Euler's number, that is 2.718. Over here we can see that we don't have a finite number of count of the digits after a decimal point. Neither do we have a series of number that is repeating itself again and again. So our irrational numbers don't lie in either of the categories of decimals. So that's it for today's video, and we'll be doing more such videos on for GCSE mathematics series. So make sure you like, share, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon.